Hello everyone, today we are discussing about levels of management, in which there are three types of levels of management. First one is top level, second one is middle level, third one is low level. In first one, top level management, it is responsibility for controlling and overseeing the entire organization. It consists of board directors, president, vice president and chief executives, etc. We have to take Ranjit Singh as an example of vice president of the industry. So he is the vice president of the industry. We have to develop goals, strategic plans and policies for the organization. We have to be provide guidance and directions for the organization and employees. We have to be appoint executive for middle level management. We have to be control and coordinates between the all departments activities. He is also responsible for maintaining a contact with outside world and also shareholders for the organization. And the second one is middle level management. In this middle level management, it is having the responsibility for executing organizational plans which comply with company's policies. These managers act as an intermediary between top level and low level managements. It consists of general managers, branch managers and department managers. And this one, we have to take example of Narayan as a general manager, and he has to make plans for the subunits of the organization and interpret and explain the policies from the top level management to the lower level management. He has also sent some important reports and other important data to the top level managers. He have responsibility for inspiring lower level managers towards the better performance. He have to be participate in employment and training of the lower level managers. And the last one is low level management. In this low level management, the management has to be focused on the controlling and directing, and they serve as a role model for the employees. It consists of supervisors, foremen, section officers, superintendent, etc. You have to be take Karthik as a supervisor as example. You have to be assigned jobs and tasks for the workers and guide and instruct the workers for day-to-day activities. And he is responsible for quality and quantity of the product of the industry. And he is responsible for providing training to the workers. And he have to be arrange the necessary material if they are broken or anything is happen. And for getting that work, they have to be arrange the necessary materials and tools so that the work to be done. He have to be ensure the discipline of the organization, and he have to be motivate the workers. Thanks.